Hello, my friends. It is July, and we know what time that is. Well, you may not, but it is camp and reunion and fun time. So, today I'm going to be doing a pack with me, and this is for summer camp. Summer church youth camp. I love it. It's always amazing. So, it's been kind of hectic around here because I just had a trip to Galveston again. And then I'm packing for reunion, and now I'm packing for camp, and my room is the bad stuff everywhere. So we're gonna get organized today, and you guys get to kind of see what I am bringing to camp, and hopefully I get to tell you a couple plans and what's gonna be going on there. Okay, so we're gonna start out with my bag. This is actually a dance competition bag, but I'm just bringing it for camp. Everything's laid out on the floor so I can kind of pack it with you guys. But right here, this is a makeshift. So there used to be a metal bar right here, but I had to replace it with a PVC pipe because I can't find it. But this is how I did my t-shirts. 2 of them are for sleeping clothes, and then all the rest are for daytime. And I just put a shoebox down there just to kind of make a little separation and more organization. We have pockets on the side. There's pockets on the top. If I can get it. Yeah, I'm just gonna, yeah, you know what, never mind. I'll show you later. But yeah, that's the bag. Okay, my peeps. So, there's creepy grasshoppers on my window. Look. The other one's camera shy, dang it. Okay, whatever. Okay, again, my peeps. I forgot something up here. Okay, so let's get started with this. First, I'm going to show you my extras, and I'll show you like clothes and stuff. Don't want to bore you, but okay. First exciting thing. For the bus ride, I usually have a snack or something. So, I'm excited for this. I'm definitely going to be sharing, because that's a lot of candy. And then obviously, since it's church camp, I'm going to be bringing my Bible. It's up there though. I'm too lazy to go get it right now and show you guys, but trust me, I'm bringing my Bible. And then I have this little cute pin case. I really like this color. And I just have all my favorites in there. Need to fill it up with some sticky notes and stuff, but that's what I have for now. And then I just bought this at Target. I haven't even used it yet, and it's literally so pretty. This is what every page looks like. And I thought it would be a great way to start it at camp, because that's where all the memories are made. And these are my glasses. And I love them. I have never, okay, they look awkward right now. Trust me, they look better in the sun. But I've never been able to find glasses that I like, and I really like these. And the first time I bought them, I got these. And maybe we should do this. Anyway, they were trash, literally trash glasses. I love the color. Oh, but that's all it is. Like, there's no tint, no nothing. Like, you can see my eyes, which means the sun can hit my eyes. And this iridescent stuff takes the sun and literally shines it in my eyes. But these, on the other hand, have a tint, and you can't see my eyes, but you can see you. Okay, let's move on to shoes. So, these flip-flops are going to be for the shower, because that's gross. Some of the showers are really, I mean, they clean very well, but I'm just going to stay safe and wear shoes in the shower. And then for water shoes, recreation shoes, walking around shoes, normal shoes, I'm taking these Crocs. These babies are amazing. Literally water shoes and tennis shoes. So they're pretty cool. I'm going to be wearing that for everything. And I'm probably just going to bring some Birks, just like comfy. So yeah, that's all for shoes. Okay. For just toting stuff around, I have this Cavu backpack, and it is awesome. I have my little lanyard in here. Oh my gosh, this backpack is muddy. Nobody look at that. But anyway, this is my little lanyard. Super cute. I have this cute little pin on there. It's from my dance year. It says dance. Yeah, it says dance. And I just have some other random things in here, like hand cleaner. The glasses go in here. Okay. I'm literally just packing with you guys. Yeah, otherwise this is empty. All I'm going to put in here at the beginning is my money, like a water, and then the candy, because the bus is going to be cramped. We have like 60 people going this year. It's a ton. But at camp, there's going to be close to 800. Last year we only had like around 280 because of COVID. Nobody wanted to come, and this year it's like people, which is good because we want as many people to hear about Jesus as possible. But it was kind of nice with all the silence and like pretty much just our church walking around. But hey, more the merrier. Okay, now we're gonna go to toiletries. This is my toiletry bag, and then these are the clips I'm bringing. This is super cute. It's actually my mom's. I stole it. She said I could. So I'm just gonna open it up. It's pretty packed full because this is like the only bag I have inside my bag. So I have this cute little pouch you may have seen on one of my Ipsy videos. And then this is my soap container. And then in here I have a bunch of cute tiny stuff, like sample size stuff. Some stuff I have to show you. I just have to. So I have this little cute teeny tiny toothbrush. Thought that would come in handy. And then these, which I got in a Birchbox to wipe off makeup. And I wrote to Band-Aid at one point, and they sent me one Band-Aid. But it's waterproof, and I was like, I'm just gonna bring it, why not? Because usually there are a couple injuries. And I have this little tiny face wash. It's from Bliss, it's really cute. And a tiny mouthwash, some Benadryl cream, the essentials. Then I have a little shampoo and conditioner, and then I have this, which is actually sunscreen. It's not deodorant, people, but I promise I'm bringing that. But anyway, that is just a lotion, and then I have just some waterproof mascara, normal mascara. And yeah, I'm trying to pack it not light this year, but just a general amount so I'm not overloaded with unpacking. Okay, guys. Do I say that a lot? I feel like I do. I say, all right, guys, okay, guys, and I do the clap. I'm sure that gets annoying, so I'm sorry. Okay, for sleeping, I have 2 pairs of shorts. These black comfy ones. And these, which are adorable, that I got from a new shop in my town called Burke's. And they're Hurley shorts. And I think they're super cute. Oh, forgot to mention this. Don't get burnt out there like some people last year. Okay, then next is pretty much all shorts. Gonna have to unfold them for you guys, but I love you enough, so. I have these jean shorts from Old Navy. Gonna roll them all up. And then the rest are pretty much athletic shorts. I have these, I don't know what brand they are. BCG. I like those. It's kind of a weird iridescent spiderweb thing. Design on the side. I'm sure that sounds insane right now. But like seriously, it kind of looks like a spiderweb. I don't know. And then I have another plain black pair that are boring and I just won't show you them. But then I got these two and I love these colors so much. And they're both Adidas running shorts. And then I brought one pair of jeans, which I'm sure I won't have a need for, but just in case. Okay, oh, look at this. Doesn't this look like a turtle shell? It's actually a hoodie, and then I just put the hood over the whole folded thing. It looks like a turtle to me. But I like turtles, so. Alright, so next is my suit. And I feel like I've said this before in a video when I showed a swimsuit, but it's kind of confusing to look at if you don't have it on. Because it has some stuff. But, okay, so this is it. It's this dark green color. And it has cutouts on the side, and then it ties in the back like that, and then it ties in the back like that. But it always looks funny with it not on, but you get the idea. We are almost packed. So excited. Oh, I also didn't mention, I'm going to be bringing my camera. This is my little case that one of my best friends gave me, and I think it's perfect for taking around camp. So hopefully at this end of the at the end of this video, I can put some pictures up. Not sure how the editing is going to go or what time everything will be out, but I will try to put some camp pictures at the end. If not, apologies from the depths of my heart. I'm honestly confused about what else I need. Towels. Oh, okay. Also, I'm not going to show you the info, but I made these little contact cards to put in my bag, in my camera bag, and in my Bible and stuff, in case I lose something, because that would stink if I lost something and nobody knew who it belonged to, so they kept it. Usually people are pretty honest and they take it to Lost and Found, but who wants to go to the Lost and Found at camp? Not me. So that's why we did that. I still have a little extra one. I don't know where I'm going to put it. I'll just put it in the back of my phone for now. Smart, smart. Okay, honestly, the only thing I'm worried about is fitting this sleeping bag. Or not fitting this sleeping bag. Don't know how that's gonna go. I might just be able to throw it in the bus and not put it in my bag, but I might have to strap it to the top, and that's gonna be awkward. I do have a ton of straps and like clips on the side and stuff, but maybe when I pull the lid or the top over, maybe I can stretch the other end so far that it will wrap over. Okay, I think I have 2 more things to show you. So I have a gift that I'm bringing for a friend whose birthday is at camp. Actually, 2 gifts that I'm bringing. So that's going to be exciting. And then I'll show you the outfit for the first day that I have set out so I don't have to unpack when I go to leave. So I have these black shorts. They're just BCG. And they actually have those spandex shorts under them. So they should be comfy. And then I have this pink shirt just from Old Navy. It's just a plain t-shirt. And then I will be wearing this cap. Oh my gosh. So I always borrow my mom's caps when we're going somewhere hot. And I was like, okay, I'm done. I'm getting my own cap. And I will not wear it like this, I promise. I will be wearing it like this with my hair done or something. Not too done because we're at camp. Remember my hairstyles video? And I may be wearing it like this. You may see Gangster Jess at camp. Who knows? But anyway, there are probably a couple other things I'll end up packing, like maybe some kindness cards, flashlight I'll probably need, some different sunscreens, my Birks that I didn't put in yet. Probably just some random stuff I'll be throwing together, but this is the gist of what I'm packing. So I'm super excited, and I cannot wait to show you guys pictures if I do end up getting some and telling you guys all about my camp experience. Also, I will be bringing a journal because that is super important to me. Last year I journaled every night, and it was like, yeah, like I look back and I'm like seeing all the stuff God showed me when I was at camp, and it was so beneficial. So that's exciting. I'll be bringing a journal to collect all the memories, and I'm super excited, guys. I hope you guys are having an amazing summer. Please let me know what you're doing in the comments. I would totally love to hear about that. Let me know how you liked this video and if it helped you, any organization tips that you gained, or if you have any more questions about stuff to bring to camp, any more essentials. I know I will be adding stuff over the next 3 or 4 days. So there may be something super random that I really need to tell you guys and put in a clip at the end. I don't know. Bear with me, but thank you so much for watching. I did the clap again. Forgive me. Anyway, thank you for watching. I had a lot of fun doing this video. It was just kind of a squeeze because I have church tonight, packing for 2 different things. I leave tomorrow morning, and this is on Monday, and there's a lot of stuff. But I make time for this because I want you guys to have good content to watch. So I hope you're having an awesome summer, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more content. Also, go follow me on Pinterest. I make posts every now and then asking about what kind of videos you want me to make, updates about my channel. So go check that out, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.